Hey everyone, welcome back to Wheels Wander, the place where we explore the best motorhomes, campers, and travel rigs that help you live the adventure you dream about. Today, we're touring a compact RV that's surprising a lot of travelers. Imagine this for a moment. You're cruising down a quiet mountain road, windows slightly open, sunlight bouncing off a compact motorhome that somehow has room for the whole family. You pull into a campsite, step out, and instead of squeezing into a tiny space like most small RVs, you walk into a warm, cozy home on wheels that actually sleeps 6 people. Yes, 6, without feeling cramped at all. The Rimor Seal 5. It may look small from the outside, but the inside tells a completely different story. 6 sleeping spaces, a comfortable lounge, plenty of storage, and yes, a surprisingly big shower that makes this RV stand out from everything else in its class. So let's step inside and see why the Rimor Seal 5 might be the perfect home on wheels for families, couples, or anyone who wants maximum comfort in a compact. We'll start with the exterior. The Rimor Seal 5 sits on a Ford Transit chassis, giving it a solid and stable feeling on the road. It has that clean, European motorhome design with smooth edges, bright white bodywork, and decals that look modern without being flashy. You'll notice the cab-over section right away, and that's actually a good sign. That space is one of the reasons this RV can sleep so many people. Even with the over-cab bed, the roofline looks balanced and not too top-heavy. Along the sides, you have wide windows that bring in a ton of natural light, exterior storage compartments for your gear, and the usual water and service connections. Rimor even includes an awning rail and an easy entry door to make life simpler when you're setting up camp. For quick stops or long travel days, this RV is built to be simple, friendly, and ready to go. Now, let's step inside. As soon as you walk in, the layout instantly feels more spacious than what you expect from a compact family motorhome. Rimor uses light colors, warm wood tones, and big windows to open up the space. The dinette is the first area you see. It's comfortable, it's bright, and it converts into a bed when needed. The table is large enough for meals, games, or even a laptop if you're working on the road. The cushions feel supportive, and the window next to it brings in sunlight that makes the lounge feel cozy and inviting. Above the dinette, you get deep cabinets that hold plenty of snacks, travel supplies, or whatever you need for long trips. This spot really becomes the hangout zone, the place where you drink your morning coffee or relax after a long day exploring. Right above the cab, you get one of the highlights of the Seal 5, the overcab bed. Climb up, and you'll find a sleeping area that's much more spacious than expected. The mattress is comfortable, there's good ventilation, and you have enough headroom so you don't feel boxed in. Adults fit just fine, and kids absolutely love this space. It's like a cozy little fort, private, warm, and surprisingly roomy. And because this bed is always set up, you don't have to convert anything at night. It's just there, ready whenever you need it. Now moving to the kitchen. It's compact, but honestly, it's smartly designed. You get a 2-burner stove, a stainless steel sink, a decent-sized fridge, and storage both above and below. Everything is easy to reach, everything feels practical, and you have enough counter space to prep simple meals. For a small motorhome, it's efficient, clean, and perfect for families or couples who want to cook on the road without feeling cramped. Now, let's head to the back of the RV, where you'll find the dual bunk beds. These bunks are another reason the Seal 5 works so well as a 6-sleeper. Each bunk is long enough for adults, not just kids, and each one has its own window, its own light, and a little nook for personal items. If you're traveling with family, you know how important it is for everyone to have their own space. These bunks make that possible without taking away from the rest of the interior. They feel private, comfortable, and well-designed. Now let's talk about the part of this RV that surprises almost everyone: the bathroom. When you open the door, you expect something tiny, because that's usually what compact RVs offer. But Rimor did something very different. The shower is genuinely big. Not RV big, actually big. It has real standing room. You're not bumping your elbows on the door. You're not twisting sideways. You actually have space to move comfortably. For a compact motorhome, that's a huge bonus. The bathroom also includes a toilet, a sink, a mirror, good lighting, and enough room to get ready without feeling squeezed. For long-term travel or family trips, this bathroom alone is a game-changer. So what makes the Rimor Seal 5 stand out? First, the compact size paired with a real 6-sleeper layout. Most RVs this size only sleep 4, maybe 5 if you squeeze. This one gives you 6 true sleeping spots without turning the interior into a puzzle. Second, that big shower. Anyone who has traveled in RVs knows shower size is usually the first thing manufacturers cut. But here, it feels like a bathroom from a bigger motorhome. Third, the separation of spaces. You have the overcab bed up front, the bunks in the back, and the dinette in the middle. Everyone gets their own area. Fourth, the bright interior with lots of storage. The cabinets are deep, the lighting is soft, and the layout feels open. And finally, the value. For families on the move, or couples who want flexibility, this is a fantastic compact RV that doesn't feel small when you're living in it. So, what do you think so far? Which feature surprised you the most? The 6-sleeper layout or that big shower? Let me know in the comments. I always love seeing what stands out to you. So that's the Rimor Seal 5, a compact European motorhome that delivers sleeping space, comfort, and one of the best bathrooms you'll find in this size. If you're dreaming of national parks, cross-country trips, weekend adventures, or just having a simple but comfortable home on wheels, this RV gives you the freedom to go anywhere without driving something huge and stressful. Thanks for joining me on this tour. If you enjoyed it, learned something new, or just love checking out unique motorhomes like this, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Wheels Wander for more RV tours every week. Until next time, keep wandering, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.